Kumno perlok ngis ngau tenat banyak don ringkat biang bat pi hakani ka Limpung Jowe Festival ka banlong hangtai ha pathar khama Bhoi district haka khat santarik unailar arhajar arusau.
Kani karansan kani kajing persang jong office terikam jong menteri rangba kami kaya ban penyajan habdeng kinong song bat kesorkar.
Please be our guest and come to the Jowe Festival on the 15th of August 2024 at Pathar Khama.
See you there.
The platform to preserve culture, the platform to show talent and sports skill, and bring together the people of Bhoi Sapni to foster unity and development in our region. The Jowe Festival 2024 will be held at Pathar Khama in Western Bhoi on the 13th and 15th August 2024. There will be plenty of entertainment on both days, including the Miss and Mr. Western Bhoi contest, performance by popular state artists such as Summersalt,